Okay, so I found a good spot, I think, to place her. We're going to be putting her next to brood. Travis recommended I go ahead and set her on here for a minute and see what they do. I'm not sure what the goal is there, but I guess they'll sense her. So, see what happens here. Well, they've been without a queen for half a day, so but this is a foreigner, so their instinct is probably to attack her and kill her. So this box is gonna, kind of protect her. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put her in position now.